Kenmore 81214 200 Series Review, the ultimate pet-friendly canister vacuum. If you're looking for a vacuum that combines power, convenience, and versatility, the Kenmore 81214 200 Series is worth considering. Designed with pet owners in mind, this lightweight bagged canister vacuum excels at cleaning various surfaces while keeping allergens at bay. Equipped with a 2-motor system, the Kenmore 81214 delivers exceptional suction for carpets, hard floors, and furniture. The adjustable height settings ensure optimal cleaning performance on any surface. Its HEPA filtration system traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it perfect for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. At just under 20 pounds, this vacuum is easy to maneuver, and the 9-foot hose provides extended reach for hard-to-access spots. It includes 3 versatile attachments: dusting brush, crevice tool, and bare floor tool for a seamless transition between cleaning tasks. Additionally, the 24-foot retractable cord eliminates cord clutter and makes storage hassle-free. Pros: powerful suction with a 2-motor system. HEPA filtration ensures cleaner air quality. Lightweight and easy to handle. Versatile attachments for various surfaces. Automatic cord rewind for added convenience. Cons: requires bag replacements, adding ongoing costs. Corded design limits mobility. Assembly required before use. With a robust design and thoughtful features, the Kenmore 81214 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, pet-friendly vacuum. Its ability to handle allergens, combined with user-friendly features, makes it a top contender for keeping your home spotless. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.